Ever wondered how you can master data analytics at breakneck speed? In our increasingly digital world, data analytics stands as a critical skill. We're here to guide you through a fast and effective learning journey. Stay tuned as we break down the process into easy, digestible steps. First things first, what is data analytics? Well, at its core, data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data to draw conclusions and make informed decisions. It's like turning on a flashlight in a dark room, illuminating patterns, trends, and insights that were previously hidden. It's an essential tool in today's digital world, aiding in decision-making and problem-solving across a multitude of industries. Now that we've got a handle on what data analytics is, it's time to dive into how to learn it. The fastest way to learn anything is to break it down into manageable steps, and the journey to master data analytics is no different. The first step is to familiarize yourself with data analytics tools. Tools like Excel, SQL, or even more advanced software like Tableau and Power BI are your best allies in this journey. Next, learning programming languages such as Python or R is essential. These languages are not just for software engineers, they are powerful tools that can help you manipulate data, perform complex calculations, and even create predictive models. Then, understanding data visualization is crucial. It's not enough to crunch numbers. You need to present your findings in a way that's easy for everyone to understand. Tools like Tableau can help you create stunning visualizations. Lastly, practice. Data analytics is a skill that improves with time and consistent effort. Dive into real-world data sets, solve problems, and refine your craft. Remember, the key is to take it one step at a time and practice consistently. So, are you ready to start your data analytics journey? By diving in now, you're opening doors to a booming field, ripe with opportunities. Imagine the benefits: mastering valuable skills, unlocking new career paths. Don't wait, start your data analytics learning journey today. The future is in your hands.